Hey art crew, this is Mr. Crumby, and before we start, somebody wanted to say hi.
Hi.
Yep, that's Caroline. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a husky today. All right, so let's just jump right into our drawing. And so remember, if I'm going a little too fast, you can always pause the video and kind of catch up. All right, so we're going to start kind of up a little bit. We're going to start with the top of the head. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a small curved line just like this. Next we're going to start working on the ears. So we're going to have two curved lines come up. Huskies have kind of bigger ears, so we're going to make these lines go up a little bit so make it look like it has big ears. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring on the other side of the ears, and I'm going to bring it down a little further than what this is. Kind of just like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so let's draw the inside of the ears. So we're going to draw curved lines on the inside here. Curved line, almost as if you drew a straight line. That's kind of where that would stop. Then inside here, we're going to add some little zigzag lines. It's going to give it the look of some fur. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a curved line on each side of here and kind of flare this out a little bit. So I'm going to come curve it, bring it out, and do the same thing on this side, and bring it out, just like that. Okay. On the end, on each of here, let's draw our little zigzags again on each side, just like that. Then here, we're going to bring this down. We're not going to connect it in the middle. We're going to leave some space here. So I'm going to come down on each side here, just like that. Notice how I've got some space in here. Now let's move to the face. So about where we have the little zigzag here is where we're going to kind of start. Inside the middle, we're going to use kind of the same curve as we did here for the nose. And we're going to bring lines down and just connect it here at the bottom. Just like that. The inside of our nose here, let's add almost like it looks like an oval. So that way, when we color it in, it looks like it's kind of shining up there. Let's draw a straight line down. And then on each side, let's draw a curved line up like that for the mouth. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to draw two curved lines come up here to help us divide the face up. So I'm going to start right here, kind of right above the nose. I'm going to come up, circle it around, and down, just like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Up, around, and down, just like that. Let's draw the eyes. Big circles for the eyes. I love when I draw my characters and they have big eyes. It just gives them more of a personality. Then right above the eye, let's give him some eyebrows. Inside of the eye, we're going to do a few lines. We're going to draw a curved line down here at the bottom, and then add some little lines in here like this, just to give it a little bit of detail. Inside of the eye, two circles. That way, whenever you color it in, it shows the light reflecting off the eye there. Just like that. Now we've got a face. All right, so let's start on the neck here. Kind of right down here where we ended. We're going to draw those little zigzags again. And almost as if you drew a straight line down. Okay, we're going to draw two curved lines that kind of meet here in the middle. Curved line like that. Curved line like that. Oh man, it's looking good. All right, so let's work on the body. So we're going to bring our body kind of down and around. Just like we left a space here, we're going to leave a space down here. So I'm going to come down and around like this. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, down and around. We're going to leave a little space here because we're going to draw his front legs right here. And so, just like I said, we're going to draw the front legs. Just kind of shape like that. Notice how I didn't connect it there, so I can fill in that space. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So we've got a little space down here, so let's just draw a line to fill that in. So you can add some lines in here for his paw. Then right here, let's go ahead and add a little zigzag line to connect it. And when you color this in, you can color it a little differently. So all we got left is the tail. So I'm going to start on this lower side here. Little curly Q there. And then start here, bring it up and around. And there's our husky. So now what you can do, if you want, you can add a background. So, you know, where's your dog at? Is he at the beach? Is he in the forest? Is he in your backyard playing? Is he at the park? So just add a detail, color it, and then I would love to see what you come up with. So I'm going to draw a background for it, and I'll speed it up kind of while I'm doing that. All right. All right, so there we go. Now I can color it if I want to, or I can leave it like this. So I would love to see what you come up with. So until next time, we'll see y'all later.